The furniture goes up. Now the big table, shouldn't muggle around. Turn the table upside down and put a drop of sticky glue onto the bottom of its length. Then we shall stick that onto the ceiling as we're hoisting the whole table upside down onto the ceiling was not an easy job, but they managed it in the end. Will it stay here? There, they cried. Is the glue strong enough to hold it up? It's the strongest glue in the world. Muggle repeated. It does. Super ball catching, ball killing glue for submarine on trees. Place said the Roly-Poly ball. I have asked you before not to moment that subject. How would you like it if it was monkey pie? They made every Wednesday, and all your friends had been dirt up, and I went on talking about it. I do beg your poor down, said Muggle. I so excited. I have heard that. Now what I'm saying now, the chairs do the same with the chairs, or the chairs must be stuck upside down to the ceiling and in their right place. Oh, do hardly everybody any moment now those two feathery flags are going to come rise in with their guns. The monkeys with the birds helping them put glue on the bottom of its chair and hoist them up to the ceiling. Now the small tables shouldn't muggle. Now the big sofa and the sideboard and the lamps and all the tiny leather things, the headers, the ornaments, and that bestly placed garment on the sofa. Everything, obviously, it was terrible hard work. It was especially difficult to stick everything onto the ceiling. It exactly this right place, but they got it down in the end. What now? Asked the Roly-Poly ball. He was out of breath and so turned he could happily flap his wings. Now the pictures climb around, turn all the portals upside down, and when one of you birds plays, fly out onto the ground and watch to see when those front flags are coming back. I go, said the Roly-Poly ball. I sit on the terrible punch words and keep guard. It gives me rest.